This isn't Moon or Mars. These are mud volcanoes in Azerbaijan. See, almost half of the world's mud volcanoes are spread across Caspian region in Azerbaijan, making it the country with the largest number of volcanoes, loads of which are active. And besides creating stunning landscapes, these volcanoes are also people-friendly. Since the temperature of mud in some of the volcanoes are about 22 Celsius, they are suitable for bathing. Some believe that volcanic clay could help with rheumatism and different other skin conditions. However, one should never risk putting mud on themselves from a random volcano, because although most of them are harmless, some may contain small radioactive elements. Also, these cinematic areas have a unique atmosphere of mystery, where one can hear and feel the earth breathing under their feet.